Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in San Francisco ready to do an all natural light photo shoot using only prime lenses. The reason why I chose to use prime lenses today was because I honestly like the creativity that prime lenses force me to be. It forces me to think a little bit more, to think of my composition a little bit more effectively. I like working with certain restrictions, like not being able to zoom. So let's get to which lenses I decide to bring with me today and the camera I'll be using. And also, of course, I'll be sharing with you the model I'll be working with during this photo shoot. Let's go. Alright, so first and foremost is the camera. Today I'll be using a Nikon Z8, which is pretty much my go-to for portrait photography. Anything photo related, I pretty much really enjoy bringing out the Nikon Z8. And as many of you know, I love my Z6 Mark III for a lot of video work or travel photography. That's my cam. So here's the Z8. I have the Viltrox 135 f1.8 lens right here, if I could ever get it out. So that's the prime lens I'm using right there. And then the other prime lens I'm using is the Viltrox, here we go, 16mm. Now I've used this before on a previous photo shoot. I love what it does. I love the distortion characteristic that it brings to portraits. It's a really fun lens, and boy, it creates some really different and unique results. And that goes up to f1.8 right there. And then for something middle of the road, I decided to bring, as many of you know, one of my favorite prime lenses from Nikon. It's the 50mm f1.2 lens. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to really use this lens, but I brought it just in case I may not have enough room to back up for the 135 right there, or if this is just, just way too wide for the 16mm, using the 16mm. So here we go right here, the 51.2. Of course, I have all my other accessories in the bag, but those are the main components of what I plan to shoot with: 50, 16, and 135. And of course, if you have any questions about the stuff, don't worry, I'm going to leave links down in the description for all the gear stuff I mentioned, but leave your comments down below. I will for sure answer all that for you. Now let's get to the model.
Hi, this is Jayati. I'm working with Robert today. I also post YouTube content on Brown Girl #edit. Please follow me, and super excited to see you guys.
Yeah, that's nice. Now right there. Good. Look straight ahead. Take the left hand out of your pocket. Just let it rest. There we go. Pull down the left side of your shirt a little bit. There we go. Now put the right hand back in. Just like that. Look straight ahead. Good. Very nice. I like that a lot. Let's see. Yep, just like that. I like that right there. Yeah, very nice. See how soft this light is? This light is fantastic.
Ooh.
And action. That's good. Yeah, there we go. And action. Good. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Let's get you. Oh, right here. So what we're gonna do is beep. Exactly. All right. This looks awesome. The colors. With your pants and there's wood? Yeah, it looks real good. Three, two. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. I like that. Put your head against the, let me see you lean back. Oh, that look. Hold on. Stay right there. I like this. Yeah, super fly. Wow. Like it.
Cute.
Super nice.
Yeah, the color.
Cool. Yep, look right here. Oh, this is dope. This is dope. Ugh. Yeah, this is fire. Fucking love it. I'm cursing all over my YouTube today. Let me see. I'm trying to think of a pose that's like, let me see. Almost looking down like this, and I'm gonna shoot from like down there or something. Let me see what it'll look like. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's super creative. Cool. Dang, I'm really liking these photos. Lean on it, like put your like you're sitting on it, like yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. Good. Put your hand on the thing. There we go. Right there. How about like both your hands on this? Right? Like you're like, yeah, like, yeah, there you go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Right there. Hell yeah. Love it.